subtle.
There you go. If you want to know a bit more about, if you want to know a bit more about the mystery shop, around the corner you have my colleague. Thank you once again.